Today's video is all about, is masturbation good or bad? Whether it is good or bad, it depends on individual. But the most important thing to know is that masturbating on a daily basis, or depending when you do it, is either healthier or not healthier. Now, in terms of healthy part of it, you will release most of healthy hormone which you need to perform well as a man. You will release it during the process. So before I share the hormones and in conclusion tell you whether it is good or bad, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this very channel and you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So is masturbation good or bad? But what is masturbation? Masturbation is when a man or a woman satisfy him or herself sexually, either through the use of sex toy or through the use of your hand to satisfy yourself sexually. That is masturbation. Now, is it healthy or is it unhealthy? That is it good or is it bad? In terms of the healthy part of it, during masturbation, it will help you to release stress. It will also help you to alleviate anxiety, or it will help you to reduce anxiety as well. And after all this, it will also make you to release some important hormones which you need as a man to perform well. Hormones like dopamine, which is involved or which gives you the ability to have love. Hormones like testosterone, which help you to increase your sex organ to be healthy and to stand strong, and oxytocin and others. These hormones are what you need as a man to perform well, maybe when you want to do the normal sex life. So, but during masturbation, you take all this out. Now, the unhealthy part of it is that you release some important hormone which you need to do your job well. Another thing is that masturbation can lead to blindness. It can also make you to lose the healthy hormone that will give you a healthy hair growth. Another thing is that during masturbation, you can never have a good energy, but rather after it makes you to relieve stress, to feel relaxed, to feel that now you can have a good concentration, because masturbation can help you to have a good concentration. But no matter the level of concentration, you are losing a lot. And the most important thing is that masturbation is like a sin to some people, which makes them to feel isolated, rejected, or inferior. So it is better for you to choose the one you need, either to engage in such acts or not to engage in such acts. It depends on individual. Why do I say it depends on individual? Based on religion. There are people that their religion forbids masturbation, and there are people that don't see it as a sin. So if your mind tells you that it is a sin, the best thing is to refrain yourself from such acts. And if you can cope with it, that one is your choice. So in conclusion, and from my own perspective and from my own contribution, masturbation is a sin, depending your religion. From my own religion, it is a sin that no one need to commit. If you need to satisfy yourself, the best thing is for you to get married. In case if you are single, if you have partner, engage to make yourself happy. So it is a sin based on my own religion, and it is also your own choice to make your own decision. So that is it for today's video. It is a sin. Is masturbation good or bad? It is a sin. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by. Like and share this video to your friends and family that want to know whether is masturbation good or not. Thank you for stopping by once again. I wish you good luck. See you in my next video. Bye.